Hey guys, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Lori, and in this video we have got some any day deals that you can do any day this week at Dollar General, as well as some P&G examples. In this first one, you're going to get a laundry deal for just $6.45 using the coupon shown on the screen. For this next household deal, you're going to get paper products and Air Wick for just $5.25. Pick up a Febreze warmer and a spray for just $6.25 using these coupons. We have a game deal. Pick up your flings and your beads for just $6 using the coupon shown. You can grab a big thing of Tide and a $10.95 jug of Downy for just $17.85. This paper deal is paired with the DG Home Cleaner. You'll pay just $7.70 at the register. For $10.45, you'll get a big jug of All and some Suavitel sheets. Pick up a Skintimate razor and some Lubriderm lotion for just $8 using the coupons listed. You'll pay just $5.50 at the register for this dental deal with the coupons shown on the screen. For just $9.50, you can pick up 2 of the Old Spice body wash and a deodorant. For just $8.50, you can get 2 Dove body wash and an Olay Gentle facial cleanser. We have a His and Hers razor deal for just $10 this week. This Aveeno deal is pretty sweet, and we paired that with the Root to End leave-in conditioner. Pay just $8.35. For $7.25, you can get shampoo plus conditioner, Secret Outlast, and Carefree liners. This week, you can pick up 4 Dunkin' coffee for just $15. With the upcoming holiday, this is a pretty good deal. Pick up 3 12-packs and 2 strawberry jello cheesecakes for just $18. Get your ice cream on for just $12 for 2 Edie's and 2 Haagen-Dazs. You can get a 15-ounce I Can't Believe It's Not Butter and a 15-ounce Country Crock for just $4.50 using the digitals listed on your screen. That's a pretty sweet deal, $11.25 for 2 packages of Hugs and a Febreze. Pay just $9.75 for Pampers Easy Ups and a Febreze. And let's get into these Proctor Gamble deals. P&G is back, and they do come in different denominations. Remember, when doing a P&G deal at a new system, you have to compensate for the store coupons. They take those off almost like an instant savings, so be sure to allow for that in your deals. For our first deal, we're going to pick up a $5.50 Tide and a $5 Downy. We're going to pay $8.19 and get back a 3 off $3.01, so that's like $5.19 out of pocket. For this deal, we're picking up the 2-pack of Bounty Essentials, your single roll of Charmin, and a 2-pack of the Febreze Holiday Scent. We are going to pay $6.99 and get back that 3 off $3.01. For the little ones, we can pick up a Pampers Easy Ups for $10. Use that $1.50 off, pay $8.49, get back that 3 off $3.01. If you have a 5 on 15, you can pick up 2 of the Swiffer refills, the $10 and the $5. We're going to pay $11.99, but we're going to get back a 5 off $5.01. For this next deal, we're going to pick up some Tide and a Bounce dryer sheets. Pair that with your Febreze Holiday and your Bounty Essentials single roll. We're going to pay $10.64, but we're going to get back that $5 coupon. For the babies, you can pick up 2 Loves for $15. Use that 5 off 2, pay $9.99, and get back that $5.01. So that's like $4.99 out of pocket for 2 bags of diapers. For this deal, we're going to get our laundry products and our paper products. We're going to pay $16.34. We're going to get back that $5, making that $11.34 out of pocket. For the babies in this category, we're going to pair those 2 Loves diapers with that $5.50 double pack of Febreze. we're going to pay $13.49 and get back that $5. You can pick up a $9.50 pack of Charmin and Bounty. Get that single Febreze with that, pay $18.24 and get back $5. For the little ones, you can get 2 packs of Loves and a pack of Easy Ups with that double pack of Febreze. We're going to pay $21.99. We're going to get back $8. Grab your Swiffer Power Mop Wood for $35. We've got a $10 coupon on that. We're going to pay $24.99 and get back an 8 off $8.01. In this deal, we've got that big pack of Charmin and Bounty again. Pair that with your Swiffer Wet Cloths and your Febreze. You're going to pay $24.49 and you're going to get back $8 off of $8.01. There's a lot of stuff in this $10 back on 40 P&G, so I'm just going to leave this screenshot up here to make sure you guys have plenty of time to screenshot it on your phones. There's a lot of stuff in this deal, guys. We have laundry, paper, and cleaning. We're going to pay $30.84, and we're going to get back a 10 off $10.01 on this deal. For this one, we're going to get that Swiffer Power Mop Wood, and we are going to get the Power Mop Wood refill. We're going to pay $29.74 for this Swiffer deal, and we'll get back that 10 off $10.01. For the little ones in this category, you can get the big box of Loves that's on sale for $21.50. Pick up 2 bags of Loves on sale too for $15, and get that $3.50 pack of Bounty paper towels. We're going to pay $31.49 at the store, but we're going to get that $10 back. So that's like $21.49. Y'all, that's like buying that big bag of diapers, or the big box rather, of diapers, and getting the rest of that scenario there for free. We do have a few deals left over from last week, like this one for $9.30 for this dish deal. You can pick up 2 of the Energizer batteries, use the 3 off 1 and the 1 off 1, and pay just $6. Bounty Essentials and Pine Sol together will be $6 using the coupon shown. This air care deal is a steal at $7. $9, y'all, for this paper plates and plastic cups deal with Thanksgiving coming up. This is awesome. $8.70 for this dental care deal. Soft soap, Garnier shampoo and conditioner for just $8.50 using the coupons listed. Get your Irish Spring with your Garnier Fructis and pay just $8.35 with the coupons listed. This is a really good Neutrogena deal for just $11.50 using the coupon shown. Here's another dental care deal for just $7. Y'all, we want to thank you so much for joining us here at Rollout Savings. Remember, a free and easy way to support our channel is, of course, to watch our content. Give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which deal excites you. We can be found across social media on Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram, so be sure and look for us when you're out there. Again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll be back with the next big deal. Bye, guys!